Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be making a protractor. The aim of the activity is to make a protractor showing angles which are multiples of 22.5 degrees. The material required, we need the pastel sheet or an origami sheet, ruler, pencil and fevistick. The pre-acquired knowledge for the same is the construction of a circle and semicircle and the concept of angles. So let us begin with the procedure. We'll take a colored sheet and draw a circle on it, and then we'll fold it along the diameter to get a semicircle and cut out the semicircle. So these are the three steps that I'll be doing in one go. Let us see how they are to be done. I take a sheet of paper, any colored sheet I can take, and I just draw a circle using the compass, and I fold this circle along the diameter and I cut it. So once cutting it, what am I getting? Am I getting a semicircular shape or not? Now I'll cut it along the circular portion also, the arc also, and I get a semicircle along the diameter AOB, right? So this is the first step that I have done to get a semicircle out of the sheet of paper. So this is a semicircle that I have got. The next step is fold the semicircle into two equal halves such that the point A coincides with point B. So this is point A. I'm going to fold it so that A coincides with B. The crease formed gives me an angle of 90 degrees. So I'll just take the middle of it almost and I'll fold it such that point A coincides with the point B. So let us do that. So this is the folding done and I'll open it up and show it to you. So this kind of crease will be formed. This crease will be giving me an angle of 90 degrees. See, this is 0 degree of the protractor. This is the 180 degree. So the middle of it, half of 0 and 180, I have got that is going to be equal to 90 degrees. Now I need the other angles also. So the folded quarter circle that I have, I'll be folding it once again along the middle so that the creases that are going to be formed will be giving me the angles of 45 degree and 135 degrees. So let us do that. I fold it such that this top portion now touches the bottom corner. So after folding it, this completely gets folded and I'll open it and show it to you. So these are the creases that are going to be formed. This was the AOB diameter, the 0 degree angle, 180 degree angle, the 90 degree angle that I got. After bisecting this 0 and 90, I got an angle of 45 degrees, and bisecting this 90 and 180, the middle of it, I get 135 degrees, right? So let us go back again, fold it again to the point where we had left. So this was the semicircle folded into a quarter circle, then folded up again, and then this is what I had, which is given me 45 degree and the 135 degree. So I just fold it again so that this end point again touches the lower point along this line. So I'll make this end come to this point. So let us do the folding work. It has been folded and this is the kind of figure I get. Let me open it up and show it to you. On opening up, I'll be getting how many creases? This was the crease that I got from first folding. These were the two creases that I got from the second folding, and this one, first, second, third, and fourth. These are the four more creases that I'll be getting. So this was the 0 degree angle. This is the 180 degree angle. In the middle of it, once I first folded it, I got an angle of 90 degree. Then I folded 0 and 90 to give me 45 degree, and 90 and 180 folded to give me 135. Then I folded it once again to get the angles of 0 and 45 halfway, where I get 22 and a half. 45 and 90 midway, I get 67 and a half. 90 and 135 midway, I get 112.5, and 135 and 180, I get the middle value of 157.5 degrees. So let me just darken up these lines to give me the protractor once again. This is the complete figure 1 that you'll be pasting in your lab files. The conclusion is that with the help of this activity, we can form angles which are multiples of 22.5 degrees. So I hope you followed the activity. Thank you so much.